defining our span to be 120 millimeter and our height to be 80 millimeter. So first we draw our straight line. We are going to be drawing a rectangle. So this is our span, 120 millimeter. Make this point AB. So we pick our set square at point B. Draw this off. So mark this point. This should be, let's make this point C, which is 80 millimeter. So from here, draw our line like this. Point A, draw this. So this is our point D here. So now we have drawn our rectangle. This is 120 millimeter. Meanwhile, this is 80 millimeter. We are going to be dividing this point, this 120. We are going to be dividing it into two equal parts, which is going to be 60. So at this point, which is here, mark 60. Now we are going to be dividing this half into 6 equal parts, and also this half we are going to be dividing it also into 6 equal parts. So it's going to be simple since it's 60 millimeter, so we are just going to have 10 millimeter each. 10 millimeter each. So we draw our straight line downward. So we divide this side also into 6 equal parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is into 6 equal parts. So now I'm going to label the middle point as point 0, 0. So now we measure here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here as our point 6. So now we are going to divide this place also into 6 equal parts using division of line, since it is 80 millimeter and we cannot be dividing that directly. So now we have divided our line into 6 equal parts. If you find issue in dividing a line into 6 equal parts, I'll be dropping the link in the description. So after dividing your line into 6 equal parts, you will be picking from the first point here. You mark this edge, that's with this line. You pick here also, mark this edge. Okay, here also mark this edge. Here, mark here, here, and mark here. So when you have done that, you can label here as point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5. This is like also point 6. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So from point 1 to point 0, that's from this point 1 to point 0, you are going to be joining a line. So your point is going to be at this point 1. Do the same for the other side, from point 1 to point 0 here. This is your point. So now you pick from point 2 also to point 0. Like this, you pick your point on point 2. From point 2 here to point 0, do the same. Pick your point on point 2. From point 3 here to point 0, you pick your point on point 3. Then from point 3 here also to point 0, you pick your point on point 3. Point 4 here also you do the same. Is the point here also you do the same. Also on point 5, do the same here, and then do the same here on point 5. Then for point 6 also, this is the point here, and point 6 here. This is the point here. So this point is the point of point 6. So we have picked our point. Now we are going to be drawing our parabola. Okay, so now we are going to be joining our points to draw our parabola. So firstly, we join this point like this, then pick here. Also make sure it touches the point. Okay, that's for this side. Then for this other side, we are going to be drawing like this. Pick this point first to this place. Then from here, you can see these 3 points like this. Then from here, we pick this point like this. And so that is our parabola. If you found this video helpful, kindly click on the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friend. Thanks for watching.